And today begins the rough draft. After we have laid out a bunch of our writing all across 4 pages of our plot line, we're now going to type our rough draft today. And if you're a handwritten student, that means you're going to take what you wrote in your journal and type it into a Google Doc. If you're a digital journal student, you're going to copy and paste your plot line pages onto a Google Doc. Either way, I want you to use the Google Doc assignment that I put on Google Classroom for today, because this way I can view it much more easily if you do it through Classroom rather than making your own copy. So to show you what I'm talking about, your Google Doc is going to look like this once you open it. Place to put your name, teacher, class, date, assignment, and then title. I have no idea what my title is going to be yet, so I just wrote, hey, title's going to go here, make it good, make it brilliant. Going straight to the plot line. We are now going to copy, not cut, copy everything in order and paste it. So I start with my exposition, highlight it, Control C, go to my Google Doc, Control V, paste it in there, hit enter, go to my next line, then go back to the next part, which is my inciting incident. My inciting incident, we're going to highlight, copy, and paste. Eventually. Try that again. Highlight, copy, paste. And then I'm going to go to my next page, my rising action. Remember, you want your events to go in order. So I've got event 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're just going to go straight from event 1, then highlight and copy paste event 2. I'm not going to make you watch me do this, but in the end, you're going to have this entire plot line copied and pasted onto your Google Doc. And when you do that, you're then going to do a really important part. Do not ignore this phase. It says, as you read your story, stop and fill in the gaps with narration and dialogue to make it flow. Authors like to use this word, flow. A story needs to flow. What that means is it smoothly transitions with good explanation from one event and scene to the next. So it's not choppy. It doesn't go like, okay, the characters are here now doing this, and now they're doing that, and there's no explanation as to why. When you copy and paste all the different sections of your plot line, there are naturally going to be parts in your draft that are going to kind of feel choppy. It's not going to flow. And that's where you're going to, as you read through the story, you're going to go through that draft and say, this paragraph and that paragraph needs something in the middle. Maybe I need to go between this paragraph and this one and type something that explains what is happening in between. Maybe I need to put some narration, maybe some dialogue, maybe both. But that flow is what we're going to be revising for. So once we have our document copied and pasted, we're certainly not done there. We now have to review it for quality and flow. And that's what's going to take up the majority of this period, because copying and pasting should only take you about 5 minutes. Speaking of 5 minutes, my time is up. Good luck, happy writing, focus on flow.